Miss Blossom.
Oh.
Miss Blossom.
Hey.
Oh, you dodge me out, so I want Rochelle.
How would it?
Rochelle.
Rochelle?
Yeah.
From where?
And not to be a man. The money where you borrow, me call, but want
Rochelle?
Miss Blossom, no ramp with me, you know. Don't play with me, because you look like you block me number, and I you don't know a number me can answer, you know, Miss Blossom.
Rochelle?
Yes, Rochelle. Where you borrow money from?
Me don't know nobody there,
Miss Blossom, no play with me.
Look here. Me don't know nobody
Miss
near
Blossom, me want my money, Miss Blossom.
Me don't know nobody near Rochelle. Me don't know nobody near Rochelle.
Miss Blossom, me want the money, me want my money.
Look here, me don't know nobody near Rochelle.
Patrick, come, cause you see, me not gonna deal with this, you know. Come talk to Miss Blossom, cause you make millionaire money, you know.
Who near Rochelle?
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Miss Blossom, why you do this, man, after I make a girl any money?
Oh, look here, don't make me get stink. Look here, don't make me get
Don't make you get stink over few one money. Blossom, no ramp with me, no Blossom.
Me don't know nobody near Rochelle.
Blossom, I Patrick this I talk to you. Since I don't know Rochelle. Patrick.
Oh?
Patrick.
Oh?
Patrick.
What you say?
Patrick I chat to you. Patrick.
Patrick Flower.
I'm not a beer man. I'm with the Miss Blossom.
Look here now, look here. Look here, don't make me get stink, you know. Don't make me get bumbo class stink for us tonight, you know.
You will get stink over my money. Over my own money.
Look here now, when you come out of my bumbo
Blossom, I want me 30,000. Blossom, I want me 30,000.
Look here, me no ramp it up. Me no play blood clot serious joke, you know.
Blossom, I want me
play a serious joke. Me no gonna come out from me blood clot phone, you know.
Blossom.
Me no run prank and me no run bumbo clot joke, yeah.
Which prank? Also, my money is a prank. My money is a prank. Blossom.
Come out from me blood clot phone. Don't make a shit up and I just thinking, mother, you know. Come out from me phone. Me no run blood clot joke, brother. Me no run bumbo clot joke, yeah.
Blossom, I see you. I chew your head now, me no disrespect you. I want my money, Blossom. Blossom, I want me 30,000. No, me darker. I rush your darkest. So you go. How my money go? Blossom. Miss Blossom. Miss Blossom. You hear me, Miss Blossom? Where you behave, sir? Blossom? Why you behaving like this?
Look here. What social the right blood clot number on our call?
Miss Blossom, come.
Right number on our call?
Miss Blossom. Listen, Miss Blossom, you hear me? Miss Blossom? You hear me? Let me tell you what. You hear me? Miss Blossom. Tell me if you hear me now, Miss Blossom, man.
Look here, come out from me.
Alright, you know what? No, tell me. No, you don't owe me no money. Miss Blossom, you don't owe me no money. Let me tell you what. The girl we just talked to when you're Rochelle, right? You hear me?
Me don't know no blood clot somebody.
No, tell me.
Me go in and me come in, me don't know no bumbo clot somebody near Rochelle. Don't you come out from me pussy clot phone.
Miss Blossom.
You don't look somebody for blood clot prank. No not prank me, cause me don't run blood clot prank. Me a serious bumbo clot man. You hear?
Miss Blossom. What kind of prank?
Blood clot joke. And as long as you don't know, see this a blood clot number, you do not call me number.
Miss Blossom.
Do not call me bumbo clot number.
Miss Blossom, come on. Miss Blossom.
Me not one joke, you know. Me not one joke.
You hear me, Miss Blossom? You don't owe me no money, let me tell you. Miss Blossom, let me tell you. Miss Blossom, you hear me, man? Like you turn up on your ears or you sit down. How you do? Listen, man.
Listen to me. All I was fuck out to the mama stinking pussy woman and come off of me phone here.
Miss Blossom.
You want bumbo clot joke.
Miss Blossom.
Blood clot joke here.
Miss Blossom, you hear me? Miss Blossom.
You don't want blood clot joke. You don't want to suck on a mother.
Miss Blossom. You hear me? I see me.